Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the costly errors taxpayers should avoid when preparing a tax return. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. So today I'm going to share an article I found from the IRS which discusses the common and costly errors taxpayers should avoid when preparing a tax return. Let me share my screen. So the article goes on to say, electronically filing a tax return reduces errors because the tax software does the math, flags common errors, and prompts taxpayers for missing information. It can also help taxpayers claim valuable credits and deductions. The article continues to say, using a reputable tax preparer, including certified public accountants, enrolled agents, or other knowledgeable tax professionals, can also help avoid errors. The IRS urges all taxpayers to file electronically and choose direct deposit to get their refund faster and avoid pandemic-related paper delays. IRS Free File offers online tax preparation, direct deposit of refunds, and electronic filing, all for free. Some options are available in Spanish. Here are some common errors taxpayers should avoid when preparing a tax return. Missing or inaccurate social security numbers. Each social security number on a tax return should appear exactly as printed on the social security card. Misspelled names. Likewise, a name listed on a tax return should match the name on that person's social security card. Incorrect filing status. Some taxpayers choose the wrong filing status. The interactive tax assistant on irs.gov can help taxpayers choose the correct status, especially if more than one filing status applies. Tax software also help prevent mistakes with filing status. Math mistakes. Math errors are some of the most common mistakes. They range from simple addition and subtraction to more complex calculations. Taxpayers should always double check their math. Better yet, tax prep software does it automatically. Figuring credits or deductions. Taxpayers can make mistakes figuring things like their earned income tax credit, child and dependent care credit, and recovery rate rebate credit. If someone is eligible for a recovery rebate credit and either did not receive economic impact payments or received less than the full amounts, they must file a 2020 tax return to claim the credit, even if they do not usually file. The interactive tax assistance can help determine if a taxpayer is eligible for a tax credit or deductions. Tax software will calculate these credits and deductions and include any required forms and schedules. Incorrect bank and account numbers. Taxpayers who are due a refund should choose direct deposit. This is the fastest way for a taxpayer to get their money. However, taxpayers need to make sure they use the correct routing and account numbers on their tax return. Unsigned forms. An unsigned tax return isn't valid. In most cases, both spouses must sign a joint return. Exceptions may apply for members of the armed forces or other taxpayers who have a valid power of attorney. Taxpayers can avoid this error by filing their return electronically and digitally signing it before sending it to the IRS. Filing with an expired individual tax identification number. If a taxpayer's ITIN is expired, they should go ahead and file using the expired number. The IRS will process that return and treat it as a return filed on time. However, the IRS won't allow any exemptions or credit to a return filed with an expired ITIN. Taxpayers will receive a notice telling the taxpayer to renew their number. Once the taxpayer renews the ITIN, the IRS will process return normally. So this is the article that goes over the common and most costly errors taxpayers should avoid when preparing a tax return. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you need help with getting your taxes done for tax planning, feel free to contact me with the email address in the description of this video.